God, it's so nice to be able to see. I also want to see if I can find some nice soil structure in the surface too. This is where I geek out and weird out. Oh yeah. So like all these like little, they're hard
pores.
Yeah, and like
Oh,
the
yeah,
little
I can see
chunks of soil, the little round, those are excellent because that's your surface soil structure, and because those are there and formed, that water, when it comes down,
It infiltrates.
yep, it can get between those cracks and get right in. That's awesome. Oh, there's still some really nice moisture. I use it in soil pits a lot, so I can cut roots with the one side.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And when you dig a soil pit, like it's all smeared on the side, so then you have to go and clean it off. So I like a big knife to make it go faster. Oh, yes. Look at that.
So this would be 2 or 3 years of no-till on this field right here.
Ooh, 2 or 3. Okay, so you see, I don't know if you can see the pore there, and it goes down. We've got pores here. And then,
I got it.
awesome. You can see that going in.
God, I love micro on the iPhone. It's awesome. Oh, look at all those.
Yes. We even got one coming in there.
And you can see that it's nice and wet, it's
See the pores
moist.
in there?
Yeah. Oh, here's a bunch of worm poop. It's very good. Right there. So that's like plant available nutrient blob right there. Free fertilizer. Yes. Love that. Let's see if we can find, and there's a nice, we got a root there. We got a nice,
So that's a really nice one right there.
got that pore. I think that one's from a worm. And the cool thing, when the worms go through there, they've got their slime. Yep, there's poop on the side. They've got their slime. Oh, yeah. That they put along the channel to help keep it open. And then that helps feed like all of the things that the soil organisms exude from their bodies are good for the plants. And so when the plants are growing, right along their root system, we call it the rhizosphere, like that's where all the action happens. When they're growing, they actually exude sugars and carbohydrates into the soil. And what they're doing is like they're ringing the dinner bell to tell the soil organisms, I'm here, come and help. And they will exude different compounds depending on what each plant needs. And then so if you have good population and diversity of soil organisms right around that plant root, when that plant exudes those sugars and like calls out for them, they'll be right there to give them whatever they need. So organisms eats the sugar and carbohydrates, die, poop, eat each other, kill each other, and then the plant gets all those nutrients and what it needs. So it's like, so if you don't have a good population or diversity of soil organisms, like that plant will keep exuding those sugars and carbohydrates, like, where are you guys? I need you. And then it wastes energy because it has to do it for so much longer. So this is really awesome to be able to see, and like in between the rows, like we didn't even dig, because I don't like digging out growing crop roots. So, you know, this is really nice to even see that in between the rows. So like this was like all mode of action from last year's corn, and it's still going on.